Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to Rennie Gold Crypto. In today's video we are going to talk about SUI token. We are going to talk about HUI token that I told you guys that will get listed on Binance. I told you guys this about 3 months ago. Stick to the end of this video. Okay, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe because we talk about crypto and every other thing that you may like about crypto. Go check us out and we make predictions on here as well, so make sure you subscribe and turn the bell notification. Hello wonderful people, there's a good news about SUI network. Okay, these are token I told you guys to bag in, to join in the ICO as at last 3 months. Okay, and I just got on news. I don't know if there's a speculation that Binance Lab invested into this project, okay, and as well as Coinbase Ventures and some of them. So they were able to raise about 300 million for this particular project, and I am hearing that this project is going to get listed on Binance. So I don't know if you guys missed out because I made a video about it 3 months ago telling you guys to bag in this coin. Okay, so this is going to be a great opportunity for people who bagged in. Okay, they are going to make so much money. Okay, and if you didn't bag in, okay, I'm going to make a video about the airdrop, and you guys should as well be careful about some people sharing their fake airdrop scam that you will connect your wallet with and it will wipe all your funds. Okay, because there are many out there on Twitter. Okay, I'm going to try my best to make the airdrop video. Okay, so let's see how we can claim the testnet airdrop, guys, because I believe many of us missed out. Many of you guys missed out, so that's why you shouldn't miss out on any video I make about that. Is all my videos, probably because they are all valuable. It's just that many of you guys are not really concerned about all these videos. So you can see it right there. Okay, so I believe that the coin will get listed on Binance soonest. Okay, so I'm going to try my best to make the airdrop video for you guys, so you guys will try to partake. So if you like this kind of video, or if you would want me to make a video on coins that will get listed on Binance, let me know in the comments. Coming up next is this thing here. Bitcoin price will shatter 10 million per BTC, says by hedge fund manager Jesse. I want to talk about something. This will not be possible in this bull run. Okay, don't be confused about all this media stuff. Okay, I want you all to be focused and understand that blockchain is not widely adopted right now. Okay, if you check the worth of blockchain blockchain, then you see that it's not even up to 100 billion yet. Okay, we are still around 9 billion. So when people fully adopt blockchain, then we can talk about Bitcoin hitting 10 million, and that will be in a space of about 10 years or even more years to come. So let's not talk about 10 million because of what we are seeing right now, because what we are seeing right now is not going to stay. We will still keep running up and down because there's no regulation, and remember that a lot of things are happening right now. Okay, so there will still be price manipulation, so don't let these people confuse you. Coming up next is Solana surpassing Ethereum in monthly active addresses. Don't forget the prediction I told you guys that Solana is going to be one of the coins that will make a lot of people billions and millions. Remember this, and always don't forget about it. Make sure you have Solana in your portfolio, because right now you can buy it on a discount. Remember, there was a time when Solana was about $100 or $90, but right now I think it's about $21, so you can go grab it on a discount right now. So see you guys again. I'll make a video on the airdrop as soon as I can and catch you again. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to all of your friends.